Next here, so we have one more properties like CSS overflow property. CSS overflow property. See, this CSS overflow properties comes under, it will overflow the element. That means the CSS overflow, if any overflow element is there, that we can hide using this overflow property. In this overflow property, we have overflow hidden, overflow auto, overflow scroll, overflow hex, overflow x, overflow y, overflow y here. See, these are the overflow properties we have. So this overflow specifies that so content is too bigger than this area, something it will be overflow from this text. So in order to hide this overflow, we can use this property to overflow this, to overflow the, to in order to overflow the content, and also in order to hide the content, we can use this overflow. So first hidden, next we have visible. So by default it in a visible position. Visible means default the overflow visible, the content rendering in the outside. Also the example. Next hidden, the hidden property, hidden value is the rest of remaining overflow content will be hidden using this overflow hidden. And scroll and auto, it gives a scroll effect for this overflow. And this overflow property only works with block level element. Remember one thing, this overflow property only works with block level elements only. Block level elements only. I'll show it here. I'll show the example. Let me go to this Visual Studio. So here I'm taking this my div, right? I'll remove this one here. So width, I'll take this. I'll take this with 100 and height 50, and here I'll just give 4 pixels. 4 pixels solid red and width 100, height 50 pixels. Now inside of the div, I take the paragraph. If you want to take the paragraph, I'll just take text itself. Dummy text, I'll take here 15. Just click on this, enter. So I take the 15 words here. Let me run this one on the browser. Go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this one here. Look at this one. See, the content is too bigger than the actual element. It can be overflow. So clearly see that one. So here we have the overflow effect. I just increase this height somewhat, like 80 pixels. 80 pixels. Go to this one, reload this page. Now look at this one. So we place this div there, and in this inside of div we place the content, but the content is too bigger than the div element. So some text will be overflow here. So I need to hide this overflow effect. So how to hide this one means just you can type overflow hidden property. Overflow hidden. Let me go to this browser. Just reload this page. Look at this one. So you just hide the content here. By default it shows the visible here. So if you write this visible, if you write the visible there, then you can clearly see this one. So content is visible here, and we can write hidden here. Hidden means in order to hide the overflow content, we use this hidden property. And next we have auto. So if you give the auto, so it will calculate it by the browser and it will give the scroll bar here. Just reload this page. Look at this. So it will give the scroll bar. It will give the scroll bar for overflow. And if you write instead of auto, you can also write the scroll effect. The same thing will be coming here. Now just reload this page. Same like this. And so here we can also having overflow hex. That means in the x-axis it will be height. Overflow hex. So this thing we can use it for overflow hex hidden for in the x-axis it will be hidden. It will show us only the y-axis like this. So like this we can use for this overflow property. Not only this one, we can also use for something like, suppose I just remove here and I take one more div. So this div I'll just class I'll give the class name, class child div. I give the child div. So here I take this child div. For the child div, take this width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, and background color, background green color. Now here I just provide 400, 400, width also 400. Now we just write border radius 50%. So it will give the circle here. Now go to this browser, just reload this page, replace the circle here. Now if you want to increase the circle, just give 300, 300. Let me go to this browser, just reload this page, replace the circle here. Now I'll right click, go to this inspect. For the child element, I'll take this margin top 1 pixels. See, margin top, margin left, margin left, like this. And here I'll just write overflow hidden and right click or this inspect, just copy this one, copy this one, and you can paste it there. And go to this browser, just reload this page. Look at this. Look at we just hide the content. See, like this we can also use this overflow here.